5 acres, pasture land, and a home that's been cared for by the same family since it was built. This is what country ownership looks like. As you arrive at this Hanover County estate, the first impression is space. Open pasture stretches across the front of the property, giving you wide, usable land that feels both functional and open. with room for animals, gardening, or future rural use. As you move deeper into the property, the land transitions into mature wooded areas at the rear, creating a natural privacy barrier that separates the home from the outside world. This combination of open fields and wooded cover gives the property a balanced rural layout that is both practical and private. At the center of the acreage sits a well-maintained home that has remained in the same family since it was originally built. That long-term ownership shows in the care and condition of the property, giving it a stable foundation and strong character. Inside, the main living area features a spacious layout anchored by a classic brick fireplace, creating a warm and traditional focal point for the home. The design flows into an updated country-style kitchen with generous dining space, making it a central gathering area for daily life. The home includes a primary suite with a tiled shower, along with additional bedrooms that maintain a simple and functional floor plan designed for comfortable country living. One of the standout features is the fully enclosed rear porch. This 20 by 12 air-conditioned space adds flexible living area that can be used year-round, whether for relaxation, entertaining, or family activities. Outside, the property includes multiple structures that add serious utility value. A detached garage and workshop provide space for projects and storage, while a barn and additional outbuildings support agricultural or hobby use. Zoned A1 agricultural, the land is set up for horses, livestock, gardening, or a variety of rural lifestyles. The open pasture, wooded privacy, and functional buildings all work together to create a complete country estate. This is a rare opportunity to own a 5-acre Virginia property with land, structure, and long-term potential already in place.